My name is Konstantin Umanskiy, and I work as a colon and rectal surgeon at the UChicago Medicine. I take care of patients with diseases of colon and rectum, which is any condition that affects large intestine, but also patients with Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. I take care of patients with diverticulitis, which is an inflammation of the large intestine, and I also take care of patients with conditions affecting pelvic floor, such as constipation, incontinence, or pelvic organ prolapse, as well as conditions of anorectal region, such as hemorrhoids, fissures, fistulas, as well as patients with cancers of the colon and rectum. I chose to become a physician because even as a young child, I was initially mesmerized by the concept of being a physician, and particularly a surgeon. There was something mysterious, or as a child I thought something magical about a person going to the operating room and taking care of human being. And as I grew up and matured, I realized that this would be a perfect fit for me. So surgery has always been in my mind, and I'm happy to be a surgeon. When I first came to Chicago, I was training at Cook County as a colon and rectal surgical fellow. Some of my family members who lived in the greater Chicagoland area, they said if in the city of Chicago somebody has a problem that nobody else can take care of, they go to the University of Chicago on the south side. And I said there must be something special there. So I was very excited to apply for the job and be considered for the job. And 15 years later, I'm still here taking care of the most complicated, the most challenging cases, and taking care of patients with problems that many other surgeons can take care of. So my philosophy of care for my patient is to treat my patients with respect. Respect and of course compassion, but I emphasize respect because taking care of patients from different walks of life, it helps to first demonstrate and establish how much I care and respect who they are and where the patients are from, and that allows me to become their doctor and take good care of them.